between the fastest brute. Quartararo's down! He's at the Vizioso as well! Fire from the Ducati. Down he went, won the fracture Ducati. Clapped it in, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looks hurt. Quartararo's down! He's at the Vizioso as well! Fire from the Ducati. The high slide. Down he went, won the fracture Ducatis. Clapped it in, believe it. They're trying to get that back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vignales then following more. Down he went, won the fracture Ducatis. Clapped it in, believe it. They're trying to get if they can't give a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andri Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has down the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vignales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into Quartararo as well. Yamaha, he's on the stretcher. At the sharp end of this one then. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see Yamaha, he's on the stretcher. Well, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just looked at Quartararo's down! He's at the Vizioso as well! Fire from the Ducati. The high slide. Down he went, won the fracture Ducatis. Clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through. Just wonder if we might see a red flag here. Trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to catch the air. He's rolled through. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andri Dovizioso. Because he looked hurt. Quartararo's down! He's at the Vizioso as well! Fire from the Ducati. The high slide. Down he went, won the fracture Ducatis. Clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through. Just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't. Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vignales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Well, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki and the... What's going to happen? Oh, it is! Cecep